at our next event in the UK. All of our presenters do an amazing job. So speaking of demonstrator presenters, our last stamp set showcase will now be presented. And this is no different from any of the others that we have seen. I know that you'll see some really great ideas. So please help me welcome to the stage, Kelsey Slim.
Wow, when you sit on your table in the corner, you think there's only about 3 or 4 people sort of buying you. There's a lot of you. My name's Halsey. I'm an 18-month-old Stampin' Up demonstrator from Solihull, just down the road. Thank you. I was a kidnapper when I first started at Stampin' Up. I never thought that I'd be able to become a demonstrator. I have a bit of a confidence issue, which is going to be strange being up here. I started doing videos on YouTube, and I put music over the top so people couldn't hear me. But lots of people left really nice comments, and I thought, you know what, I'll talk to those people. So I did videos with my voice, and then someone actually asked for a class. That was different. And then when they went to it, they booked another one. So that's what I like about Stampin' Up. I've met so many really nice people, and I think the ultimate test for me is to get up here and show that I don't shake too much. So, I'm going to try my best. Thank you. I'm presenting the gorgeous Bloom and Grey photopolymer stamp set. This is a gorgeous set, and you know what, I was a bit worried when I said I'd do this. And I didn't want to hint too much, but I do like florals, and look what I got. So I was very happy. And it comes with matching dies. Now, these dies are amazing. My particular favourite are the flowers. There's 3 in one go, so they all pop out. And I'll show you those on my last card. But these borders are super, and they're not die all the way through, so you can do them either inside or outside, and they just do the edge. And there's 2. So as you do a label, you get one on each side and you can match it up in one shot. Stampin' Up is predicting this set to be a top seller, and I've had it for a month or so, and I can see why. They asked for 10 projects to go on the board outside, and I had to pick from about 50 that I've been playing with. So it was good fun. Being photopolymer, it's so easy for a beginner stamper to grab this stamp set and just go with it. A beginner stamper would love to get a stamp set and be successful with it straight away. This is the card I've created for a beginner stamper. The sentiment and the flower just used the same size block, so it's 1 block, 1 ink, 1 piece of cardstock, bang, bang, done. Simple way of getting someone straight in, and they can have an easy, stress-free experience. Once I've done this, I will put it on my blog, because I'm mainly a little online blogger. And when I've put it on my blog, I will share it everywhere with a hashtag simple stamping. On every social media going, even if it doesn't accept hashtags. To step it up for a casual stamper, I've had to pick up the blends. I'm a little blend addict. I've backed it on to Bermuda Bay because I don't need to explain that. I stamped this with Memento and then went over the top with my Versamark to give it all of that dazzle so that I used the clear embossing powder. But I did notice earlier that they've got shimmery embossing powder now. Did you all spot that? So I don't have to do that anymore, and it will just give it casual crafter will look at my YouTube videos and they'll case it. That's great. I like getting people doing that or sending me a picture of something that's come from mine. It really makes me smile. So I tend to put my videos on YouTube aimed at a casual crafter. Watching those videos will be your avid crafter. They will watch it, but they won't just stick to this. So what they will do with their stamparatus, I've already put the paper on there, that's very organised. Just going to mark where that is. Isn't this grid paper amazing? I don't know how I coped with it to start off with. So I'm just going to line up my stamp at the bottom. Missed a bit. Ink it up. Then you can just flip the card to get the mirror image to the other side. Once that's done, I'd already cut out on some post-it notes, because I love post-it notes for masking. Mask it over the top, and then you can move your stamp. And go again. You only need to move your stamp 3 times with your wreath, because you're just going to turn it round again, like we did before. Put your post-it note on this one and go again, and then just fill the gap in. Once you've finished, you will have, the right way, a whole wreath of the same stamp set, all masked up. There's these gorgeous little flowers and leaves that you can use to add extra foliage. And once you've lined those up, you stamp them. Over the mask, you get a bigger wreath, which should look something like this. And then when blended, your avid crafter won't stop there. They'll have vellum, ribbon, everything going on before they back it onto their card with their final project. And these here are the cute little vellum flowers, the 3 of them together. I love those with the dimensionals, bit of glitter. Once I finish that, I will blog it and take a picture, but I wouldn't necessarily put it on my YouTube. I'd put it on the blog that had the casual card on. And then once I've done this one, I would say, and you can step that up
9 minutes
to make it look like this. Just ask me how. Because I find online it's a bit hard to get interaction from your customers if you just show them exactly what to do. Whereas if you show them and say, ask me how, they're more likely to get in touch with you and ask how. Thank you ever so much for being so lovely today.